I just hit the top affiliates board for the Boulderall affiliate program. Now I know this may not seem like much, but considering there's thousands of people promoting this product on a daily basis, 13th place is not bad at all. It's quite a good position, and I'm sure by the end of the next month, I'll be in the top 5 for this affiliate program. In this video, I'm going to show you how I went from $0 to over $1,000 in a day with the Boulderall affiliate program, and how you can get started on this journey too and do this yourself. I will be honest, this did take time. It took a month or two to build up to this first $1,000 day. Didn't happen my first day, so don't think after this video you're gonna go and try this and you don't make your first $1,000 overnight and then you complain in the comments. That's not how it works. It takes time, but I'm going to set the foundation and give you a brilliant course, an epic video on YouTube right here for you to get started and replicate exactly what I did. In this video, I'm going to show you brilliant and winning strategies that you should use to promote the Boulderall program, strategies that you should avoid to not ruin your brand or anything like that, tons of epic free tools and tokens that will help you out in promoting this tool, as well as tons of free traffic sources that you can use to be on your way to build some passive income with the Boulderall affiliate program. I'm also going to show you proof of my earnings from this. I just recently started promoting Boulderall again in the last month and a half. I did promote it a lot last year, then I moved over to Kartra, but now I'm kind of using both, as Boulderall has updated some of the tools quite nicely, and that's why I've decided to start using it again. Over here is the rank board for the Boulderall affiliate program. You can see some of the top people over all time, such as James Neville Taylor. I know at some stages they actually do huge giveaways to the top affiliates of the year. As far as I know, you can choose between a $30,000 bonus or a car as a top affiliate for Boulderall. But over here you can see I just hit the 13th top affiliate of this month for the Boulderall affiliate program, which is really not bad. I'm quite chuffed with it, considering I've only been doing this for the last month and a half, and I've currently hit the 199th overall ranking on Boulderall. You'll see, like, here's number 14th. If you scroll down some more, you'll eventually get to 199. But just to show you some of my what I've earned on this program in the last, I would say let's round it off to 2 months. I'm just opening up my affiliates franchise dashboard over here. You can see in the last 2 months all-time earnings on this new account. I'm at $2,772. Can't even count numbers. And currently I've been paid over $2,600 this month. And my estimated earnings for the next 30 days passively is $2,259. Just to refresh, to show you this is my live dashboard and not some kind of edited screenshot or anything like that. There you can see I currently have 3,200 leads, 58 active leads, and tier 2 sales over 941 leads. Tier 2 are basically affiliates that my affiliates have referred. So there's actually a level 2 affiliate program, which has paid me an extra $500, which is really fantastic. So this is why I definitely recommend promoting an affiliate tool just like this. So the first thing that I do is probably the one that you're not going to like the most. It requires the most effort, so I'm just going to get it out the way, but it's also one of the most powerful ways to get a lot of free traffic and to build a brand for yourself. And you can actually make 2 streams of income off of this, is actually create a Boulderall playlist on YouTube and create Boulderall tutorials, or build businesses around Boulderall's landing pages, document your journey, upload that to YouTube. You can just leave your affiliate link in the description. So you'll see over here, I've got a whole, let me just pause this quickly. I've got a whole Boulderall training playlist over here that I actually created from last year. All I do is I create these simple 10 to 20 minute videos explaining how Boulderall works. I build landing pages for people, just connect a couple of ClickBank products and teach people how to promote ClickBank products on YouTube. And you'll see over here in the description of my video, I've got the Boulderall affiliate link over here, and I just get tons of clicks, signups and sales on YouTube, which is a fantastic way to get a lot of traffic. Over time, your YouTube channel can get monetized and you can actually make money off of your videos as well. I've been doing this for 2 years now, and I've got a YouTube channel up to 90,000 subscribers. I've got a second channel as well over here. Let me just show you, called Millionaire Mindset Plus, which I'm actually going to run full time as of May as well. And in this channel, I'm actually going to give you like tons of PayPal giveaways, courses. I'm literally just going to give as much as I can on this channel. So if you want to go check this channel out, you're welcome to. But that's basically the gist of it. You want to create tutorials around YouTube. You'll see as I scroll through my video, like I literally show people how to get a ClickBank product. I go over to Boulderall and I teach them how to make a bridge page, run ads on that, promote that on Quora, Pinterest, all the social media platforms, and get tons of sales. And just another tip for you guys that I recommend you don't do on YouTube is don't create these stock videos with these robot texts that read about Builderall. You want to be authentic. You want to get out of your comfort zone a little bit, get yourself a nice PC, or you just even need a cheap laptop with a browser, really. A little mic. I paid 20 bucks for this mic on my collar over here for a good voice quality. And you just want to explain to people, get out of your comfort zone. People aren't going to think anything bad of you. They're going to appreciate the free value. And one thing I can say is, in order to become successful or get far anywhere in life, you need to do things that you've never done before and get out of your comfort zone. It's probably a very famous quote that you've probably seen somewhere, but it's an important characteristic for a successful entrepreneur. And tip number 2 for the YouTube strategy, this is a do that I recommend that you do, is you can actually come over to Fiverr and get experts to run backlinks, do SEO on your YouTube channel. You can get people to do promotion of your channel to larger audiences, get people to run YouTube ads, Google ads campaigns for you. And there's tons of experts on here that will basically promote your videos even on Prime, Amazon, YouTube influencers that will do an organic targeted YouTube video promotion. So there are tons of people on Fiverr. I would recommend use the guys that have lots of ratings, that have positive comments, and just go read through the comments of each one, because you don't want to choose someone that's bad or has bad service. So this is a great way to grow your YouTube channel as well, is with the use of Fiverr if you want to invest into your channel. The next thing that I recommend you do is, and this is quite a big strategy and a big role in what's played success in my Builderall campaign and promoting this affiliate tool so far, is you actually want to go and create yourself. You can actually come over to your Builderall dashboard like this. If you want to sign up on Builderall, you can use my link down below. You'll actually get it for $1. Builderall goes for anywhere between $29 and $69. What's nice is if you do become an affiliate for this tool, you can actually refer people to this tool for just $1 their first month, which really hooks people into the tool, because I mean, it's a win-win. You getting them on the affiliate program, they're literally only getting this tool for $1. So if you want to get this tool for $1, you can use my link down below, as that is applied already through my affiliate link. And you want to come over to the Cheetah website builder over here. And you want to click on create new website over here, create a choose template over here. And you want to create, you can choose from any of these templates that you like. There's tons of different templates. I usually like to use, if I scroll down, look for anything that's got to do with squeeze. Just type in squeeze on the search bar. Here are tons of different squeeze template pages that you can use. So what a squeeze page is, this is the template over here. This is my final page over here. So what I do is, when I give away Builderall with this free training over here as well, you can see I've got this like video over here set up. I give them away Builderall for just $1, but in return, I collect their email and name. So what happens is, people might click on your page over here, they might go and buy this product off the bat or straight away, but most people, I'm saying about 80% of people, will click off the page now and won't actually buy your product now. But the powerful thing with this is, once you've collected their email, you can promote them with done-for-you email swipes like this that Builderall gives you. So if you want these email swipes over here, I appreciate, just leave a like on this video, comment down below that you're ready, or if you want this email swipes, and I'll leave a comment to the link to these email swipes over here to your comments. So these are done for you email swipes. If I just scroll through them, I think it's a total of 7 days. So what happens is, if your lead is not interested in Builderall right now, you can target them with email marketing using the Mailing Boss autoresponder. There's a whole knowledge base system over here that will teach you how to use it. It's very easy. You literally just drag and drop email day 1, email day 2, email day 3, and the system will automatically send out these emails to your leads every single day. And you can literally copy paste these swipes over here, and these swipes over here will do the selling for you. So what I love about this email marketing strategy, like I said, if they click off your page, they don't buy the product off the bat, your email swipes could get them to buy the product later on. So you can build an email list of, let's say, 10,000 people. I personally have an email list of close to 20,000 people that I send out promotional emails every single day and get tons of affiliate sales and Builderall signups as well. So that's a great way to build an audience for your affiliate marketing business, is to build an email list so you can send out emails and get tons of commissions from that. Because what I love about it, it's very passive. The automation software does all of the hard work for you. The next thing that you can do is, once you've made money from some of this free traffic that I've shown you off of YouTube, you can use an Instagram theme page, you can do TikTok as well. Just get people, and you want to get people through your email list. You want to collect emails, as many as possible. You can come over to the Cheetah website builder over here. Let me just come back here, and you want to connect a domain to your website, any kind of professional .com domain, such as boulderallenterprises.com or something like that. Some kind of affiliate marketing business. You can use your own personal name if you want to. Like I've got my name, jfroneman.com. I've got dropservicing.com and multiple domains that you can sign up to your page, because you don't want to use this long Builderall link over here. It looks very unprofessional. I'm just waiting for this page to load it. You can click on your website over here, click on connect domain over here. You can either type in your own domain such as boulderallenterprises.com or .co.za or .co, whatever it is. So you can just click on confirm. All right, so this domain is already connected to a sales funnel. So you can just type in any domain that is not available. You can go buy domain or add your own domain. And I would definitely suggest connect some.com domain that looks professional to your website. Then what you can go and do is to give away Builderall for this $1. You can actually come over to Google Ads. Once you've generated money from the program already, this is how I am scaling with Builderall. You just want to click on Start Now over here. It's just a 2-step process, and you can just type in Google Ads on Google. It'll pop up on your Google search feed, and eventually your dashboard will look like this. So you can come over here to New Campaign, click on New Campaign over here, click on Website Traffic over here. You want to click on Search Traffic over here. You just want to put in your domain, boulderallenterprises.com. That's the domain to your landing page that you've created over here on the Cheetah Builder over here, this website. Yeah, let me just show you quickly. That's this landing page over here. So once you've continued with that, just click on continue over here. You want to click on start new. Sometimes it might ask you to continue with the draft. You want to click on all countries. Languages, you can leave English. Audiences, leave. You can start off with a small budget. What I suggest is with your budget, create 4 different ad sets that go from about $5 to $10 a day. The one that performs the best, scale on that one and cancel the rest. So I'm going to use 50 Rand a day, which is about $3 a day. Your bidding, you just want to leave it conversions. You can leave this at maximum conversions. You can click on save and continue over here. For the keywords, what I suggest you use is take a look at these keyword types over here, from broad match to phrase match to an exact match. So what you want to do is you want to type in Builderall free trial. You want to go Builderall $1, and then Builderall $1 special. So what these brackets, square brackets, mean over here means that you are only going to rank for this specific term. You're not going to rank for any other term. You're only going to rank for Builderall free trial, Builderall $1, Builderall special. You can also go Builderall support. So you can also do, for example, Builderall sign up, because if people are searching, you want to put the square brackets, you want to rank for that. Because if people are typing in Builderall sign up, they obviously want to sign up on Builderall. They haven't signed up for it yet. So that's when you want to get them to click on your ad and get through your affiliate link. You can also do, for example, ClickFunnels alternative, which is a keyword that a lot of people type because ClickFunnels and Kartra are way more expensive than Builderall. Builderall is a lot cheaper, and you want to rank for that keyword. When people type in ClickFunnels alternative, your Builderall must come up at the top of the page, and that's where people are going to click on your link. And remember, all this traffic on Google, you're collecting all of their emails, which is very powerful as well. And to all those people, you have all these email swipes sending through to your email list, which is fantastic about this. So once you've got a couple of keywords going, I would suggest just use specific keywords. You can also use maybe phrase match keywords or anything like that. So I'm just going to click on save and continue. You can then run your ad set as is. You just want to build your ad like this. So you can go, for example, your headline 1 over here. Win hundreds of free funnels, Builderall for just $1. For the description, you can just type something short. For example, claim Builderall for just $1, the world's best online builder in a box. And you can click on save and continue. And when you're ready to run this ad, you can click on save and continue, and it will start running every single day at whatever price you entered. In my case, $3 a day, which is 50 Rand a day. It's just in my local currency. And from there, if you get clicks, email swipes and signups, and even sales, that's good. That means the ad is working. It means you've got a good landing page. But if it doesn't work, cancel the ad, try something else. Google Ads is all about trial and error. So if you want to get a done-for-you Google Ads and drop servicing combo, which is a 57 in-depth university training, online training that will teach you how I generate about $15,000 to $40,000 a month with drop servicing and Google Ads. So I've basically created a lecture where I build my winning Google Ads live. This exclusive training is available when you join the Drop Servicing University. So if you want to get a free training on this Drop Servicing University, the university is a paid program as it's very valuable and sensitive information that's taken me years to learn and years to build. Don't worry, it's not some like ridiculous $2,000 course, but I have created a basic 7-minute free training for you guys explaining what's exactly in the course. There's no flexing houses or flexing Lambos or anything like that. It's straight to business. And then I've got all my results from this course, my top stores, what my stores generated in 2020 and in the years so far. So you can get a free training on this in the first link down below. And that's also going to be it for today's video, guys. But also, if you want to get tons of free courses here on YouTube, make sure to click on the screen over here somewhere. I'll leave a little playlist for you guys here. And also, don't forget to grab your free training down below, and I'll see you there.